हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं पर्किन रिएक्शन की। पर्किन रिएक्शन क्या होती है? द कंडेंसेशन ऑफ एन एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड विद एन एलिफेटिक एसिड एनहाइड्राइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ए वीक बेस which will be the potassium or sodium salt of the corresponding aliphatic acid anhydride to evolve alpha beta unsaturated acid. This reaction is known as Perkin reaction. You can see that this is aromatic aldehyde, this is acetic anhydride, this is weak base sodium or potassium salt of this anhydride acid. It evolves alpha beta unsaturated acid. In another example, we can write benzaldehyde plus acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride should have at least 2 alpha hydrogens. ये एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड जो ले रहे हैं, जो भी हम यहाँ पर एनहाइड्राइड ले रहे हैं एलिफेटिक एसिड का, उसमें कम से कम 2 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम मस्ट है। इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस एसिड साल्ट we obtain cinnamic acid, which is a alpha beta unsaturated acid. So in other words, further we can say that the condensation of an aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic acid anhydride having at least 2 alpha hydrogens in the presence of a weak base to evolve alpha beta unsaturated acid. That reaction is known as Perkin reaction. Now we will talk about the mechanism of this reaction. In first of part, CH3COOK, it dissociates into potassium ion and acetate ion. Now this acetate ion attacks on the acetic anhydride molecule this acetate ion attacks on this hydrogen atom and abstract this hydrogen CH3COOH and forms a second ion, this type of carbon ion. Now this carbon ion attacks on the aldehyde molecule, which is aromatic aldehyde. Now this carbon ion attacks on the this carbon atom of carbonyl group, and same time the electron of carbon oxygen bond shifted toward the oxygen atom and we obtain this O negative HCH. Now the acetate ion released when acetic acid donates its hydrogen to the oxygen atom and evolves C6H5COH HCHOCOCH3. Now the acetate ion further attacks on this hydrogen atom and liberates minus acetic acid in this way. Same time the OH release this compound and forms COCH3. Here you can see that this hydrogen atom releases this electron and OH group takes its electrons from this bond. Now a double bond is formed between these two carbon atoms. The hydrolysis of this compound evolves C6H5CH double bond CH C double OH alpha beta unsaturated acid. In this way you can write the complete reaction. Once more, this mechanism, the acetate ion attacks on this hydrogen atom and forms a carbon ion. Now this carbon ion attacks on the carbon atom and forms this ion which extracts a hydrogen from the acetic acid and forms this compound. Further, the elimination of this hydrogen by the acetate ion and removal of OH evolves alpha beta unsaturated this compound. The hydrolysis of this compound evolves finally alpha beta unsaturated acid. That reaction is called as Perkin reaction. Thank you.